Let there be light. What's going on, YouTube? My name is Kyle. You have made it to Obsessed Auto. And today, got a 2019 Tahoe in here for an interior detail. So I would open the doors and show you what we got going on, but I've got my OZONE machine right in there doing work. Got it set on an hour timer. Owner of this vehicle went to the grocery store and, you know, picked up whatever they wanted for the week along with some chicken. And he had to make an emergency braking situation happen, and said chicken ejectocetoed onto the floor. And so this thing smells atrocious. It looks pretty freaking clean. I mean, basically the inside is just gonna get a wipe down, some dressing. It's just gonna look really, really, really nice when I'm done with it. But I can't portray a smell over YouTube, which is probably the best in some people's videos. But in this one, I would love for you to smell how rancid this is. It's bad. It's bad. So yeah, I've got the extension cord running through the door. Got the OZONE in there doing work. Got it set on an hour timer. I've got it running. I've got it on full bore, recirc, you name it on the inside, it's doing it. So I'm trying to get that O3 circulated throughout the whole vehicle. Get this thing smelling a little bit better before I get in there with the vacuum carpet extractor, all that fun stuff. I was like, man, I really don't want to smell, I don't want to smell that. So as soon as this thing gets done with the OZONE treatment, I will bring you guys along for the ride. I'll show you what we got going on the inside. Apparently it shuts itself off, so that's not okay. Need to fire that thing. All right, we're back. Definitely smells like OZONE in here. Whoo, girl. Let's get this thing opened up. So this right here is where the spill happened. Let's see. Can't really see much. So I'm thinking probably inside the fibers of the seat. Definitely in the carpet. But yeah. Just normal car things. So go ahead and get started cleaning out some of the bottles and stuff. Like I said, we've got about an hour of OZONE in here so far. Probably gonna take another hour, best guess. Do a little extraction. Probably do a little seat cleaning action. Being a 2019, this thing's pretty freaking clean. So anyways, it's time for me to get to work and for you to enjoy the show. See you in a second. Oh hey, welcome back to the Kyle Show. So, while you were out, it's only been a few seconds for you, it's been about an hour for me. Got the door panels all spruced up. Got protectant on the dash, center console. Hydrated and moisturized the seats. Still need to line out the carpet. Around to the back, same thing, got the door panel rocked out, hydrated, conditioned the leather. Same thing back here. Also did the extraction on the carpet, and I can assure you there was definitely chicken juice in the carpet and on the seat. Back here I did a little sprucing on this and this side, just in case there was any remaining. Let's see, go around the extractor. Got a little something right there, probably for my sweaty arm. All right, some random hairs, but dude, I mean, I can't say this thing looks way better because it didn't look bad, not at all. But it looks pretty darn good. Like I said, I need to finish the carpet. Definitely gonna line it out just so it looks better. I mean, I love lines. If my customer don't like lines, they can just rub their hand in the carpet and the line will go away. Whatever floats your boat. But when you come to me, you get lines. Get this thing out the way here. So we got all that extracted and cleaned. And already I'm noticing a significant difference in smell. I am getting ready to hit this thing with probably 2 hours with the ozone machine. Let's see, it's about a hair past a freckle, so that means that we'll go a freckle past a hair next time. Yeah, get the seats. I will leave the seats up so it gets into the leather. Neighbors must have sold their motorcycles. So yeah, 2019 out here looking like a 2021. That's what we're all about. So like I said, I'm gonna set up the ozone machine, get a couple hours of that in here, go back through it, just do a once over on everything, line out the carpet, clean the glass, and ship it. That's where we're at. This was honestly one of the most simple details that I've done in a very long time. But the end result of it is going to be amazing because it's not going to smell like freaking chicken. Freaking chicken. So, all right. We got some lines. Got the ozone machine running with the hatch open. I'm going to pull in more fresh air just so it converts that to O3. But yeah. As I expected, it looks like a new car. As it should. It doesn't even have 30,000 miles on it. So yeah, literally the only thing to do after this ozone treatment completes is going to be windows inside and out. And then I'll let it aerate for just a little bit and send it on its way. Sorry, I gotta look pretty. All right, got her whooped. Glass is clean. I am gonna do one more ozone treatment just for kicks and giggles. Got interior glass, interior dressing on all the plastics. I did leather conditioner and cleaner. Got the door panels, interior glass. Obviously everything. Door sills. These back glasses are super easy to clean. I love the fact that they recessed the windshield wiper. Wish they would have done that on the older ones. But yeah. Gotta say, it smells a whole lot cleaner and it looks even better. When it rolled up, I mean, it wasn't dirty. It just stunk to high heaven. So what I'm gonna do is hook that thing up, get this thing whooped, and then I'm hot and sweaty, so I'm gonna take a ride in the buggy over there, go cool myself down. So that's all I have for you in this video. If you did like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. I appreciate every single like that I get. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. I do things of this nature all the time, whether it be detail, repair, flip, something special that's coming soon. You know, if it pertains to automotive, most likely I'm gonna either try it or I know somebody who tries it. Anyways, that is all I have for you today, guys, in this video. So please like, share, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want to do. That was very JR-ish. It's fine, I think I might keep it. Anyways, until the next video, I hope you have a great day and we'll see you then.